English class. Welcome to our English class. Today I am talking about nouns. What is noun? Yes, naming words. Names of places, person, animals and things. And there are two types of nouns, common nouns and proper noun. What is common noun? Common noun is a name given to every person or place or animal or a thing. For example, city, country, girl, boy, etc. Then proper noun. What is proper noun? A particular name is given to a person, place, animal or a thing. For example, I give a specific name to a girl, Anna. So Anna is a particular name. That means proper noun. Then I give a specific name to a city, or I am talking about a specific city, Perumbavoor. Okay, let's understand the differences between common noun and proper noun by using some examples. Continents. Now I am talking about a special continent or a specific continent, Africa. Africa is a proper noun. I am talking about this specific continent. So Africa is proper noun, continents common noun. Can you identify these animals? Dogs. Now I am talking about a specific dog and name is Bruno, and this dog name is Bruno. Bruno is proper noun, dog common noun. This is solar system and it has many planets. You can see here many planets. Now I am talking about a specific planet. I am talking about a specific planet, Earth. Earth. So Earth is proper noun, planets common noun. Can you identify this person? Here are some famous freedom fighters. Now I am talking about a specific person. Now I am talking about this specific person. Can you identify this person? Yes, Mahatma Gandhi. I am talking about this specific person, Mahatma Gandhi. So Mahatma Gandhi is proper noun, person common noun.
In this video, we had discussed about common noun and proper noun. Here is a list of common nouns and proper nouns. Common noun, continent, special continent, Africa. Dog, Bruno. Planet, Earth. Person, Mahatma Gandhi. Remember to begin each proper noun with a capital letter. Common nouns and proper nouns, name of general groups, people, places, things and ideas, called common nouns. Proper noun, the name of specific people, place and things. They must begin with a capital letter. So here given examples. Common noun, lady. And lady, her name is Helen. So Helen is a proper noun. Month, January. January is a proper noun, month common noun. Day. Particular day given here, Monday. So Monday is proper noun, day common noun. Country. Here given Japan. Is a proper noun, country common noun. And ocean. Here given a specific ocean, Pacific Ocean. So Pacific Ocean is proper noun and ocean is common noun. I hope you understood common noun and proper noun. Thank you.